Hello again, and welcome to the Clouded Titles YouTube channel. My name is Dave Krieger, and I am the author of the Credit Restoration Primer, Clouded Titles, the Quiet Title War Manual, FDCPA, the Paradigm Shift in Foreclosures, as well as numerous other manuals and workbooks. And I'm here to tell you about an upcoming workshop in Dallas, Texas, that is of the utmost importance given the uptick in foreclosures. Last month alone, and I'm talking about September of 2023, there were over 35,000 foreclosure filings in America. Now, that may not seem like a lot given the post-2008 foreclosure crisis. Well, it is a lot, especially if you're one of the 35,000 that are being foreclosed on or have gotten foreclosure notice. If it's any indication, like what happened in the last decade, and we're talking about 2009 through 2016. What happened there was basically 10.2 million homes got foreclosed on in America. That's roughly 10% of the available mortgaged properties in the United States. Now understand that that's not a pretty picture, and we're not seeing those kinds of numbers. However, pre-pandemic, when the pandemic hit in 2020, everybody got relief from paying their mortgage. But see, there's a catch. And it may have been because of the fact they were all locked down and enjoying the fact that they didn't have to pay on their mortgage because they knew they could get a forbearance. Well, not everybody got them. Another big problem as well is that not only did they not get forbearances, but at the end, if they did get a forbearance, then everything was going to add up and they were going to have to pay it back once they restarted the mortgage payments after the COVID emergency had ended. So the bigger problem we have now is how people are going to stay in their home. And it is possible. I've heard attorneys tell me this. Because when I call and I go, well, I've got this foreclosure thing. Well, how long do they want to stay in the house? I can keep them in there 2 years. There's not just one attorney that told me that either. There are multiple attorneys that told me that the homeowner on their own can stay in the house for 2 years or longer, depending on how active they are and how they respond to the foreclosure. Now, is it a free house? No. The sad state of affairs is there's a lot of people in denial, and if it's any indication of what happened in 2008 when the foreclosure mess started and the Wall Street went haywire and all the securitized trusts started to fail and investors lost money and the homeowners were losing homes left and right. Come to find out, all these documents that were filed in the land records, and there's tens of millions of them, were mostly fraudulent. And there are Consumer Protection Act statutes that are available to the average homeowner that you can use to stop the foreclosure. But how many homeowners know that? This is why we're offering the Advanced COTA Workshop. Now, just because you've never taken COTA before, which is Chain of Title Assessment, we analyze chains of title. Well, the Advanced Workshop contains all of the information from previous workshops on a handy, nifty little flash drive that you can put in your USB port in your computer. In addition to that, because of the fact that we know in time or over time, your credit is going to be messed up, which is one of the reasons why you're going to get a free credit restoration primer, which is my first book, now in its 5th edition. And inside of it, it's got all my sample letters. All the sample letters. Here's 2 of them right here that I use to clean up people's credit reports. And here, this is a DIY manual. And we're going to give this to you if you attend the upcoming COTA workshop in Dallas, Texas, Saturday and Sunday, November 4th and 5th at the Doubletree Hotel at Dallas Love Field. And not only that, but we've got a 126-page manual right here, the Advanced COTA Workshop for Chain of Title Assessment Training and Foreclosure Defense Research. This is one that I compiled. There's the Clouded Titles house right there. This particular manual is 126 pages of dynamite information, including 15 litigation strategies, one being how to make bankruptcy work for you. Now, the OCC, or the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, has said time and time again that bankruptcy is nothing but a stall tactic. And the reason is most people are doing it just to stop the sale of their house. They do it as a Hail Mary at the last minute and end up losing it anyway. Well, see, we're going to show you some things in this class that takes that whole idea of bankruptcy and flips it around in your favor. We even have one of our attendees who's going to be there that actually got her house away from the bank in foreclosure court. Yeah, and she sold it and moved on. She had a plan B. Most homeowners didn't. Back in the foreclosure mess, they just walked away. Almost 98% of those being foreclosed on in the last foreclosure mess walked away. And see, we got smart then. Collectively, myself and several other private investigators and officers, and people who were looking into this mess, they actually figured it out and what was going on. Several attorneys actually stopped to look at securitization and what it was all about. And we're going to be sharing a number of things having to do with your MERS originated mortgage or deed of trust. This is a class you do not want to miss. You can go to my Substack page at davekrieger.substack.com. That's Dave Krieger, KRIEGER.substack.com. And the information is there for the upcoming COTA Defense Advanced COTA Workshop. This is for foreclosure defense and to learn how to do chain of title assessments and how to analyze your chain of title. Yes, it is advanced and some of the stuff may go over your head, but that's why we're going to make this available on video for those who wish to purchase the class and watch it in the comfort of your own home. So once again, this is Saturday and Sunday, November 4th and 5th at the Doubletree Hotel at Dallas Love Field. We will be there. It will be in the flight deck boardroom. It is seating is limited, so you don't want to be one of the ones that's not attending. You want to be one of the ones that's attending. You'll learn a lot. Promise you that. And of course, if you want to link to YouTube and look up COTA Workshop, there's testimonials there from people who have been and have found that information useful. We'll see you there.